Hi, this is a quick tutorial how to get started with Habinator on iOS. First, search a goal template, going through the categories or using the search option. These are all editable templates, so you can change anything now or later. For motivation, here are predefined reasons, and if you find a reason which doesn't motivate you, just click it away or change it. Of course, remember to add your own specific motivations as reasons. The next thing, you need to decide how long do you want to do this goal, and of course which days. For example, if you don't want to do it on weekends, just click the days away. You can also set specific reminders to yourself. Then maybe the most important setting is to set when your day starts and when it ends, because you will receive a notification on these times. They will look pretty much like this, and you can of course expand it on iOS by long press. You can of course click the day checked on the dashboard or from the monthly calendar. When you create a goal, you will be assigned to these groups, and you can of course exit a group if you don't want to stay there.